Hello and welcome to Caravans. I'm Sean Calica, part of the sales team here, and I just wanted to give you a quick walk around tour of the Swift Challenger X850 2022, so please sit down and enjoy. So the Challenger X850, so mid bathroom and island bed, so it's a twin axle caravan, 4 berth. Just want to give you a nice walk around just so you can see the side decals. So just around the edge of the caravan. Again, to go through in terms of the towing, again it doesn't have ATC, just on the front end there with the grab handles. One thing it does come with, it comes with the external gas and also as well your external 230 volt. And being a twin axle caravan, and say it you would need to require to purchase Alco wheel locks. So some insurances will say about what wheel locks to use. It doesn't come standard with the van. And then just on the rear, you've then got the fitments for the bike rack. So if you did wanted to add a bike rack, there is options to be able to discuss that in terms of through our shop. And then obviously the caravan does come with LED lights as well. So moving into the interior, so as we walk straight into the main habitation door, you've got a nice little storage cupboard there with the rail. So again, the coat hanger. You've then got your LD panel, so LD control panel, your main control panel, and then also as well your fire engine, so in terms of your alarm. In terms of radio, so the radio is the standard fitment for 2022, so then again that would be added on ready for collection. And again the non-gloss finish just on the controls there. Again, with this being the L-shaped lounge, again it's beautifully spaced, plenty of room. Just have a look around obviously in terms of the curtains, the interior and the lights. Panoramic roof, and again just with regards to the colours, cushioned as well. TV section points, so all underneath. A nice spacious layout for storage there as well. Just in terms of on the, so again just with the pleated blinds, and then just overhead, so again with your fly blinds. So moving to the kitchen area, so again with your oven, just on the side section itself, plenty of storage, and then underneath the sink, so again cutlery drawer, nice spacious cupboard, pull out drawer again for more cutlery, and then the veg rack. Underneath the oven, nice plenty of, again nice little bit of storage. One tray on the oven, and then your main grill. And then you've got your 3 gas ring plus 1 electric. Get me splashbacks, couple of sockets, and then moving upwards obviously naturally to the microwave. Storage for your glasses, and also as well your plates. And directly opposite, you've then got on the 850 you've got the nice tall fridge, which has basically the dual opening to the domestic fridge. Again, as we go there, freezer compartment, and then right up above, again nice little bit of storage again, and then straight underneath as well. To the side of the fridge, again another nice little bit of storage, but then that's where the main table sits and the house is in there. So as I mentioned, this is the mid bathroom. So moving on to the mid bathroom, so again a nice little spacious Again, you can see there with the doors open, walking straight through to the end island bed. But as we walk in, see the toilet area, again, just underneath the sink itself. We turn around to the shower. Your hooks and your rings. If we just move into the bedroom, you've then got your duvet mattress, and underneath the mattress itself, so your carpets, and then just on the rear of the bed, obviously, with your headboard, under lights, and again the main top lockers there. And into the side cupboards, and plenty of storage there as well. And then the bedside, then got your drawers as well. Cushions to the window. Again, nice little pads, and absolutely beautiful. With your fly screens, your blinds. TV area, so again, TV point, so it doesn't come with TV brackets, so you would have to get these sorted again naturally if you want to speak to our shop. And then just moving to the other side, so this is where the Audi tank will be housed. You do have an additional socket, and again, drawer, bedside drawer. The video of the Challenger X850. Hope you've enjoyed the walk around tour. Please feel free to contact a member of the sales team on 01476 560 599 should you have any questions at all. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.